Hey guys, what's happening? We're gonna guide you through how to change app icons on iPhone. You can either use the built-in iOS customization tools to change the style and color of all your apps, or use the shortcuts app to set unique custom photos for individual apps. So for today's video, we're gonna use the built-in iOS customization tools. Alright? So hold your screen in an empty space, hit edit at the top left. Below, you're gonna see customize. Hit customize. You can change the size to make it small or large, right? You can also change to dark or automatic depending on your time zone, right? If you're like shooting this at morning, it's gonna be light, but at night it's gonna be dark, right? Or tinted. And of course, you can control the colors, right? You can also use the sun kind of button or sun tab, right, to make it light or dark, to give it a little light, right? And basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.